Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change your delivery address on FedEx. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in fedex.com and press enter. You will now be taken into the official FedEx website. Now, if you haven't already logged into your account, click on the sign up/login button at the top right corner and then use your login credentials to gain access into your account. After logging in, you will end up within the home page, from which if you wish to change your delivery address, simply hover over to account and then click on it. From there, click on my profile and you will be taken into your profile page. Within your profile page, click on contact information and you will now be taken into your contact. Click on the edit button at the right side and now you will be allowed to change your username, your location, your phone number and also your address within which your product is to be delivered. So simply enter your entire address and then click on the Save Changes button, and now all of the changes that you have made onto your delivery address will immediately be made. And now your delivery address has successfully changed on FedEx. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to change your address for delivery on FedEx. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.